点了哟，哥哥。
你冇急。
不是2点钟开始吗？我以为2点钟准时要。Hello everybody 的2点0分了。
OK， 你把手机收一下。
可他的内心时间是2点半，叫我们2点来。
现在已经在直播了。
嗨。
别气，没事。
YouTube 吗？
对 YouTube， 你可以发一下链接。
这么突然。Hi everyone。Producing building and our environmental sanitation workers are protecting the hygiene around the production base. Here is the dormitory, and next to it is office. And production base covers an area of 20,000 square meters. We mainly engage in production of FR4, halogen-free FR4, high frequency, high speed board, FPC flexible board, rigid flex board, metal core board, blind wire board, and metal complex PCBs. We focus on high frequency and high speed boards producing with international advanced equipment. For example, we have 56 drill heads drilling machines, 10 automatic V-cut machines. We also have fully automatic texting machine and 3 corn new planting lines, 2 automatic copper planting lines, 8 automatic CCD exposure machines, 3 LDI exposures, 4 character printers, and we also have many automatic texting machines. We can see this building is our production base, and inside we have testing machines. The most simple one is the Flying Pro testing machine. This one is specially for some samples orders and small quantities orders. We have 16 Flying Pro testing machines, and our main monthly producing capacity come up to 100,000 square meters. The monthly deliver amount is 80,000 square meters. And we also get all international management system certificates, which is IATF 16949 2016, ISO 9001 2015, ISO 14001 2015, CQC, product quality compliant with IPC, UL, CUL, and other European environmental standards. Now we come to our meeting room. If you come into our factory for a visit, and after visiting our production line, you want to have a meeting with us to discuss the cooperation, maybe you will come here. This is the meeting table, and here you can see that we have obtained different certificates and international system certificates for the production quality of our products. Here you can see that we have different project samples. We are concentrate on high frequency and high speed board producing. We can make a different customer's project according to all requirements. Our producing scopes cover the different industry, such as aerospace, automobile, communications, industry control, medical device, and some electronic components. So different industry PCB board, any type you want, we can make for you. Now let's come to the engineering department. Do you know what engineering department can do? Follow me. I introduce the engineer department to you. Our PCB factory engineer department is mainly composed of engineers and technical workers. They need the professional technology and experience to ensure the successful production of PCB project. Before the whole PCB production, we can call it pre-production engineering. It is divided into OP and CAM two parts. OP is mainly responsible for communicating with the customers and indicating different producing specification to producing line. CAM is mainly responsible for adjust the customer global flyer and layout according to our factory rule and production process capability. And then outputting different production file for the PCB project. The EQ department is mainly responsible for R&D technology of PCB development process, and also responsible for the formula supervise the PCB producing process. The EQ department should coordinate the demand of both production and sales effects. Also should use new technology to improve our PCB quality. It reduce the cycle time and the cost.
As we all know, material plays an important role in final product quality and reliability of performance. Our main material brand supplier have Shenyi, Taiwan, Isora, and Rogers. The board cutting process is the first step in the PCB production. After the cutting, the quality inspector will conduct a strict inspection for each board to ensure the size, shape, and quality can meet the production requirement of the next process. Only the material boards pass inspection and then can go ahead to the next process. If it need to be print as the inner layer circuit, we also need to bake the board, make it more drier to increase the friction to better combine with PPC in the later production. The board cutting process is the basic step for PCB production. It ensures the precise cutting and high quality processing of material board, laying a solid foundation for the smooth progress of later process.
Now we come to our drilling department. The drilling department is composed of drilling machines, biosender machines, and X-ray machines. The X-ray machines is for checking quality. The drilling machines is for drilling hole, and the biosender is preparing for the process. After finishing the laminating process, the PCB will go through the drilling hole process. During this process, it will punch in holes according to the specification contained in the punching file. For example, this is the computer, it had a punching file. During the printing and punching hole process, drilling hole is convenient for the component positioning, creating through the holes, and also electronic connection in different PCB layers. For example, this is the computer, it had a punching file during the printing and punching hole process. Drilling hole is convenient for component positioning, creating through holes, and